Hello YouTube viewer, if you're thinking of learning how to trade using a simplified and easy step-by-step process without being overwhelmed with multiple charts and complex analysis, gain access to a trend dashboard tool that will alert you on what currency pairs to trade and when, or perhaps you would like to gain access to free, profitable daily trading signals. Let me introduce you to the Forex Trading Mastery Course. This course will teach you how to open trades using notification alerts from Trend Dashboard Tool, trade with daily reports from the economic calendar, open trades using Forex news from the economic calendar, use the MT4 platform effectively, open trades using technical analytic summary from the economic calendar, use the moving average indicator to effectively enter and exit the market, manage your risk effectively when trading, gain access to free profitable daily trading signals, and much more. If you would like to learn more, please find the link below this video to sign up to the Forex Trading Mastery Course. If you would like to receive free trading signals, please find the link below this video to join our Telegram channel to receive free trading signals.